you look at what the School of Justice study offers in criminal justice, legal studies, forensic science, and cybersecurity, to find that in a liberal arts institution across the country is almost impossible. To get what we have, you would have to look at one of the monster schools where students are simply a number. So here, our students are in small classes, and the faculty get to know them personally, either through the classroom or advising, and can set them up with agencies throughout the country to really give them an advantage.
I've done a lot of the hard sciences at school, so a lot of those basic fundamental skills have really transferred over, and now I'm experiencing them through the lens of forensic science, which is my ultimate goal. It's a very niche field, and it's something that is still growing, and I'm excited to be a part of it. My whole goal for this internship was to help me narrow down what I want to do in the future as a potential career. Having that practical hands-on experience has really helped. It's been very hands-on, it's been very interactive.
It gives them hands-on experience with an agency that helps build networks, which lends that opportunity for them to go directly into that job or apply to other agencies throughout the region or throughout the country.
Raj Williams definitely made me who I am. It's allowed me to be here in Boston in the AG's office and to really have confidence in my job and what I do. My primary role is to assist victims throughout the criminal justice system. There's so many things within the criminal justice system that just aren't made for victims of crime. And so if we can help them feel like at least one person is truly here to help them and listen to them, it's an honor to be in an office where there's so much movement and social justice going on.
Many of the hands-on opportunities that we have are based within the classes. So, for instance, we have students going to visit the Adult Correctional Institution in Rhode Island, and where they take a prison trip and get to see what the prison life is actually about.
You know, as soon as you walk in there, they have to, you have to go through the metal detector, you have to stay by the guards the whole time.
The prison experience is really tied in everything we've done through class. Like in the beginning, we talked about different perspectives on like crime control methods and like rehabilitation.
It was more humanized, and when you were there, you were like, oh, like these are real people, like having to do all this stuff. Like when we were in class, we were just sort of talking about it, and it doesn't really compare to the same as actually seeing all of it in person.
So they can see what the real work is really about, along with learning the theories and the data and the research that goes on to support what actually is going on out there in the real world.